kapor baman kesngi awan lam shipi da undang yalam news.
Kalabha UBC Professor Prabhashankar Shukla Boon Resign Laong U Professor Prasenjit Viswas VP Nehuta Professor Sanjit Viswas Habe keren baginong thokobor ulapan pau bagajing shimsti jong UBC khat asngi kalong tang ban pedile yek samla pule ki prashong chatngan mental kumba khatsan sngi nadu ka santrek unaiweng arjar apsau nagalyang jong Viswas ulong bagajing shimsti ju kalong tang ban pendile yek kapor bat ban lait nakajing toget jong ka kanhun toget balathung daka sarkar pdeng hakane kapor banakalyang jong ki kanhun toget jong ka sarkar pdeng kilawan Henry kim shimlalap yu namar ba shimlashong hapo ofe kano kapalong persyayu ne kabomlong persyayu umdei banmi shabar nakajing toget kumta kalabhayu bon Resign nakakam baradalap bakajing toget kalong kabadai umla banwan hadin bat ka union ministry kadai banweng no yu namar kadai yu bon ino yaka panomyo jakashu hanihu namar shimla buram shu yak samla pule yak no hikai pat shimla snap shu yak jing dawa jongki nakalyang jo Viswas ula karpat yak education ministry bakadai banweng no yu kum UBC namar nyokor shu yak jing pule bat don shu kamensim jing isnai yak samla pule kebla IT yalade nagamenta ka jingbet jingbiang bat ka jingbha jong ka school ba nehu borokawai.
Professor Shukla could have done it right at the first day itself. He has delayed for 12 days, and this is ridiculous on his part to say that on personal reasons he is going on leave. When the situation has gone completely out of his hand, he should have honorably exited as the student and the Nehu community wanted. This dishonorable exit, this kind of finding a leeway for himself doesn't convince anyone. And also the investigation that the ministry is supposed to initiate, the investigation has to investigate him. And during the investigation, he cannot sit in his office. No direct, indirect influence on the investigation can happen from his side. Therefore, it's better that he resigns, and if he is found to be all right, after investigation, he can always come back. Union Ministry can reappoint him.
Banyo iki kubon baman kesngi, subhawan subscribe ika channel Undang Yalam News. Kumle shibu.